Helps prevent the annoying drink mix-ups. Easy pop-on, pop-off magnets pair perfectly with the MagSlider Lid. Dishwasher safe, keeps your drinks warm/cold longer. Package dimensions: 5.35-inch length by 4.21-inch width by 0.59-inch height. If you've got the MagSlider Lid, but need the magical magnet piece, you've come to the right place. After all, the most important part of the MagSlider Lid is, well, the magnet slider. Fits all three sizes of the MagSlider Lid for Rambler 10 ounces wine tumbler, 20 ounces, and 30 ounces tumblers. Top reviews from the United States. Best replacement/fashionable slider. Okay, so I took a hit or miss ordering this product since there is no reviews. Yeah. I am the first review. Super excited and thankful that I ordered this about a week ago. I lost a top magnetic slider in my yard having fun with the kids, wanted to order a replacement. Just the black slider alone was $20 at that point. I thought maybe I'll buy a new cup. Well, for only $10 I got 3 extra sliders in 3 different colors, not only to replace the one I lost, but I have an option to change the colors and make it fashionable. Totally worth it. Maybe I'll get a free cup for my first review, lol.